Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to zoom in and zoom out on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So as we can see right now, I'm in my Discord app, and now let's see how to zoom in. To zoom in you have to press Ctrl and plus, and here you can see I'm zoom in, and to go back to the normal position, press Ctrl and 0, and then you will get your normal view. And to zoom out you have to press down Ctrl and click on minus, and you will zoom out. So this was how we can zoom in and zoom out on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.